Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Canva to design menus for restaurants and cafes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Canva and log into your account. On the home page, locate the search bar at the top and type menu. You will see a variety of menu designs tailored for restaurants and cafes. Browse through the templates to find one that fits your style and brand. Click on a template to open it in the editor. Once the menu design is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the editing tools on the left side. To customize the text, click on any text box in the template. Delete the placeholder text and enter your own menu items and descriptions. You can adjust the font style, size, and color using the options in the toolbar above. Next, to change images or photos, click on any picture in the template. To replace it, go to the Photos or Elements tab on the left side. Search for images related to your cuisine or ambience. Drag and drop your chosen images into the template, positioning them as needed. Adjust image sizes by clicking and dragging the corners of the image box. Once you're happy with your design, consider adding your restaurant's logo. Click on the Uploads tab to upload your logo from your device. Drag the uploaded logo onto your menu design and position it appropriately. To ensure your menu is visually appealing, consider using Canva's alignment tools. You can find these tools in the toolbar, helping you evenly space items on your menu. After finalizing your design, proofread all text for accuracy and clarity. If needed, adjust colors to match your brand's color scheme. To save your design, click on the Share button in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Download. Choose your preferred file type, such as PDF for print or PNG for digital use. Click the Download button to save your menu to your device. Your custom menu design is now ready to be printed or shared online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.